If you're doing everything the gurus told you, posting daily, following the blueprint, staying consistent, and still not making money online, you're not alone. Because here's the truth most people won't tell you. The problem isn't you. It's the strategy. You were given information, but no direction. You were handed a course, but no feedback. You were sold the dream, but left alone to figure it all out. Here's what actually works in 2025. A high-ticket affiliate marketing model that pays you real commissions, not 7 trickles. We're talking 1,000 plus per sale. A system where 90% of the back end is done for you, so you don't need to create a product, handle support, or even do the selling. And most importantly, mentorship. That's live, direct, and from someone actually doing it. Because strategies change. Platforms shift, and you need a business that adapts with it. No pressure to go live, no sales calls, no cold DMs, just real structured marketing that works around your schedule. So if you're tired of spinning your wheels, tired of wondering if you're cut out for this, stop trying to do it all alone. Click the link in the description and see what's working now. A proven system, real support, built for busy people who are serious about results. Because once you have the right strategy, you'll never ask, "Is this really for me?" again.